Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. So if you want to know how you can screen record Snapchat without them knowing, then this is the right video. At first, go to Snapchat, then go to texts, and then you see this text here. What you have to do is turn on your screen recording from here. Since I'm already screen recording, so mine is already on. After that, if you click on it, it shows me the snap that they have sent. It's a video. And then when you're done recording, just click out of it and then you see that it has been recorded. And when I click on it, it doesn't say anything. So if you want to screen record and you don't want them to know, make sure you use the inbuilt screen recording which was already given by the Android app and use that. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.